What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to obtain the nullifying pill using celestial seas in Werewind's Meet. You can do this very early in the game. First, complete the initial story missions until you are sent to the nearby town. Once you arrive, look for a side quest called Foul Play. This quest is part of the Heaven Spear area. If you don't see the quest marker, track the quest first, then open your map and head to the marked location. You may need to walk there if you haven't unlocked fast travel yet. When you reach the area, you will find a group of characters involved in a drinking competition. Talk to the NPC sitting nearby to start the side quest. During the quest, you learn that the person running the competition is cheating. Your objective is to steal his potion. At this point, the game temporarily gives you access to the Celestial Seas ability. On PlayStation, activate it by holding R2 and pressing square. If you are on Xbox, hold RT and press X. On PC, press 1. Use the ability to take the potion from a distance. After that, talk to the NPC again and start the drinking competition. Let the scene play out, then return to the character once it finishes. Once you speak to them, the quest will complete and Celestial Seals will be permanently unlocked. You can now equip it from your abilities menu and use it whenever needed. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.